due to the increased number of the cases filed by the banks in DRT and also due to the huge pendency of the cases to redress and to help the banks to recover the monies due from the big borrowers at the earliest, we request the government to look into the establishment of the second DRT. Another issue is with regard to the creation of the central registry by Government of Andhra Pradesh for the MSME sector, which is much required to register and record all the movable and immovable properties of the borrowers incorporated as a proprietorship or partnership who were financed under the MSME sector. That creates a central registry and to have the charge on the assets in favor of the banks. That is also a long pending issue. And another issue is with regard to preparation of model projects under MSME sector by the DAC GMs in association with the LDMs. To a certain extent, for 3 to 4 districts it has happened. For other districts also, the model projects needs to be prepared and kept on website, which will be of much helpful to the prospective entrepreneurs of the state, which is going to happen in way of ancillary industries and also the other industries in the state to come. The sixth issue, what we have mentioned in the agenda notes is AP VAT Act. It needs a revision because the present Act of 2005 of the Andhra Pradesh VAT Act, which provides to recover from the overdraft facilities that is given to traders for recovery of the taxes also. It was referred to the Indian Banks Association also. Indian Banks Association also has cleared that it cannot be done like that. It needs the revision in the act of the state government under VAT. The current issue with regard to disbursement of agricultural loans, Kharif and it was in full. It was already dealt by our president of the SLBC for the resolutions. And another issue is with regard to the applicability or continuation of the Vaddi Leni Runam, 0% interest for the farmers. All the time they have been availing. Wherever the prompt payment is there, up to 1 lakh the farmer need not pay totally. The 100% of the interest is being paid by the state government or by additional interest by the central government. For 1 lakh to 3 lakhs, Pavala Vaddi, it is being applicable. As the division of the state has happened, there is a much requirement for the bankers also and the clarity and the confirmation of the state government with regard to the continuation of this, the incentive to the farmers to encourage the prompt repayment. Another issue is with regard to the National Crop Insurance Program to cover under the weather-based crop insurance, modified insurance, MNAIS. The guidelines are yet to be issued by the Agricultural Insurance Corporation in association with the state government. As the crop Kharif season has already started, there is a much necessity to give the notification for the crop insurance program because either the farmer should be covered as a loany farmer or non-loany farmer for especially in the dry districts of Anantapur or Kurnool where groundnut sowing yet to start only due to the delayed monsoon. These are the certain issues which we will bring it to the notice of our Chief Minister and all the ministers and all the principal secretaries.